Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope, microscope.
Well, welcome back to Microscope Show. I'm Doug,
My name is Brent,
and today we're going to look at my dog, Boug. So,
and also dog-related stuff,
yeah, so maybe some of her treats or food or something, too.
things like that.
Let's take a look. We're going to look at all kinds of parts on her body.
Oh, yeah?
Against her will, because she's not going to be into it, but we'll give her a treat at the end, and we'll make it worth her while. She has a scar right here, actually, where she got attacked by a coyote. Get it in focus here. Whoa.
Oh.
That's what her
Wait.
skin looks like.
Wait, is that the skin or is that the scar?
This is the scarred area of her skin.
Wow, there are some flakes in there, huh?
Look at that part of her skin there.
It looks like a reptilian.
Look at that.
Look at that. That's like a leather.
It looks like more like a chicken.
Yeah. It's a chicken reptile.
What if it tastes like chicken? There's one way to find out.
Well, maybe that's sort of why,
Okay, well, so that's her scar area. Like, this is her fur. I mean, you're just gonna get black, beautiful black fur as such, right there. So that's that.
Okay, that's kind of straight ahead style.
Pretty straight ahead.
That's
Let's look at her ear area. A little lighter.
Oh, there's some
different-
grays in
different
there.
Colors.
some grays.
Got some grays.
Looks like my hair. You know what? It looks like my hair.
Let's look
It's basically the same thing. Ooh.
into her ear. Ooh.
Ooh, what is this?
Whoa. I'm gonna go deeper in that ear.
Get in there. Ooh. 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 Oh. Oh. What is that? Oh. Oh. What is that?
It's the ear hair.
Oh. 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 What is that? Is that earwax?
Just ear stuff, you know?
Ugh. That's gross, dude.
Oh, here's her toe.
Oh,
Look
my
at her nail.
Good night, Shyamalan.
That's her
Oh
toenail.
my gosh. Wait, what is this other business?
That's my finger holding it.
Oh, okay.
That's my dog's toe. There's some hairs in between the toe.
Ooh, what is that?
Well, that's her pad on her bottom of her foot.
That's the pad.
Yeah, that's the pad.
Wow. That's a hard one.
Ooh, that's the bottom of her foot right there.
Wow, that is it's a whole terrain with, canyons,
Nooks.
rivers, it's a canyon, rivers.
Nooks
It's a
and,
Rocky Mountain canyon.
nooks and crannies.
Oh gosh.
Is there a bug? Oh, there's a frog on her too.
What is that thing? Ugh, what is this? I'm not saying the frog, but what is underneath that?
That's her belly.
Wow. But what is that frog too, actually? What the heck is that?
Let me see what that frog is. I can't see it with the naked eye. I have no idea. Well, Bug, I don't know. What else? Here's her ear. These are different type of hairs. There's finer hairs. Let me look at underneath you, Bug, just one time, please.
Oh, look at the nipples.
Okay. Okay, dog nipple.
Oh.
Oh,
What? Ew, is that a nipple?
that's her nipple.
Oh my god.
Oh.
What the heck?
There's a leaf on it.
Wait, what the heck?
We're gonna get a leaf blower.
Is it truly a leaf?
Oh, there's another one.
Oh my god, there's like little mini nipples
There's
on
a
it.
mini nipple on the nipple.
There's mini nipples surrounding the nipple.
I'm getting thirsty. Let's get one more nipple. This nipple doesn't look like as important. It's kind of a smaller one.
That one's sort of a less... Yeah, it's a lesser nipple.
Oh, here's
Kinda
her
black,
biggest
yeah.
nipple is right here.
Oh my god, that's a big one. Oh,
I'm
oh my god. Wait, get that focus on there.
trying.
That is a real big nipple. Wow. It's interesting that the nipple tips are black. They kind of like,
I dyed them.
The noses, they're like noses almost.
I took her in and had her nipples dyed.
Uh-huh. What happened to that nipple? Why is there a little kind of crack?
So here's just her chest hair. She's kind of into this. She's like chilling. She's looking at her. She's looking at the image.
Oh, really?
She's like, what is that? She's into it. Here's a black spot. Let's see.
So many different color hairs on this thing.
Look, she just got a random nipple right up here.
What is that?
Armpit nipple.
What is that?
You ask me what things are, and I don't know.
It's a tongue.
Keep saying what
She has a
is that?
tongue. She has a tongue right there. That's a tongue right there. If I ever saw. Doesn't it look like a tongue?
It's a tongue, yeah. So she has a tongue. Big deal.
Oh, by the way, I'm not asking you. I'm just asking. I'm just doing rhetorical. What is that? You know.
Well, how about one more shot of the foot? Ooh, that's her back
It's
foot.
like reptilian.
Yeah, it's kind of like scales down there.
It does look like a scale.
Well, dogs are part reptiles, huh? There's her other
Look
foot.
at that. What the heck? What is this? Is that in between the two toes?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
It's
Look,
scaly.
It's a scale. It's
Yeah,
a
her
snake.
Bottom of her foot is scaly.
It's a snake.
Whoa.
Oh my god, it's a crustacean.
That's her nail, and that's her
That's a crustacean.
toe. Her bottom of her foot. Let's look down here a little bit more. Look, in one hair follicle, like 6 of them come out. Huh.
Oh yeah.
Okay, well that's Doug. That's Bug. I'm Doug. Thanks for participating, Bug. You want a treat? You want a treat now? Would you like a treat? Ugh. Actually, get off me. You're gross. Now that I know what's down there.
Man, that smells like fish.
Well, it is fish. What we're gonna look at is some fish skin dog treats that my dog loves. She's down here licking her lips. And she will get one for being such a good girl during our inspection.
Dental
What
juice.
kind of fish is it? It just says fish.
Hold on a second. It doesn't say what kind of fish it is? And what does it mean by a 100% human grade?
That means we can eat it. You want to take a bite? Ooh,
Oh, it looks like her body.
it looks moist. It does look like
It
her
looks
body.
like her body, straight up.
So this is the fish skin. Wow, there's some...
Wow, look at these patterns. It's pretty interesting.
Yeah, so this is pretty gross, huh?
You know, it's gross, but not so gross. In a way.
Could be more gross. I mean, if we were eating
Yeah.
this, it'd be kind of gross, but...
Yeah, I guess because we're not putting this in our mouth these days.
Yeah.
And then it's not as gross, you know. But, oh, those are kind of some neat leopard skin patterns there.
Yeah, this could be a bluegill. Could be a trout.
This could be a tigerfish.
Could be
Or
a...
not a tigerfish.
Could be a
but-
crappie. Okay, next we're gonna do your classic dog kibble. It's just your brown nuggets that all dogs love.
Dry food, they call it.
Now it's called dry dog food, but when you look at it under the microscope,
It looks wet. Kind of.
it looks very wet. It looks moist. It looks really moist.
It does look kind of moist, but it's sort of... It looks just also kind of just solidified, shiny. You know what I mean? It looks shiny.
When you look at it with your naked eye, it doesn't look shiny. It looks
Right.
quite matte finish.
Right, right. Ooh,
You know?
look at these little...
And this food is must be it just
What is this?
It's just fats, animal fats,
Oh, is that what it is?
I guess.
How do they make dog food?
It's probably horrifying. You just don't want to know what's going on down there. I give my dog vegan dog food sometimes, but I think she likes the meat, the animal-based stuff, because that's what dogs eat. But yeah, this is... I forgot. I think this is like turkey flavor. So we're looking at...
Turkey fat?
So also what we have are the greeny dog dental treats. Mine are all broken in half because I got the large size dog ones and I just give her half of one. So,
Oh, they're shaped like toothbrushes?
yeah, so it's a dog treat. And they're green. And who knows what these are made out of.
Yeah.
I don't really want to know, but look, they write greenies.
Is that a green color?
Look at that. It's
Oh
an
wow.
E.
Wait, where is that? Let me see it on the naked. Oh, I see it.
You
Okay.
can see it on the naked.
Yeah.
The naked eye.
Yeah.
So look at that. They're
It's kind of neat when you see stuff up close like that, you know?
yeah. Yeah, I don't know if dog food is required to put the ingredients in there, but this it's probably made by a robot, you know. It looks like a frozen lake. All right, thanks for watching Microscope Show. Bug, you want your treat? Here. So please subscribe to our channel, huh?
That's right.
Let us know in the comments what you want to see, because many people said they wanted to see my dog, so that's why I brought
That's
her.
what you get. You ask, you get.
Yeah. You ask, you get, you got.
You beg, you get, you got.
Just like my dog.
That's right.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope.